Hi guys, it's Dean, and welcome to Dean's Den. Today I want to talk about the magic of marketing. In detailing, the word free is a magic word because it gives you the illusion of something being free. Now what you do is you don't actually give anything away. What I'm talking about, let's say you do a full detail on somebody's car and you give the customer a bottle of free car shampoo. That bottle is actually encapsulated in the price. So you're not losing anything. All you're doing is you're moving product and you're encouraging the customer to buy other product, because once they try your product, if it's a good product, then they come back and they buy more product. And what did it cost you to get it out there? Nothing, because you raise your price to cover the cost of the shampoo that you're now giving away, and the customer doesn't know any different. This marketing strategy has been going on for a long time, and it's so helpful. Now, when you're doing an interior detail and you're charging the customer for an interior, you include a free wash. The wash is not free. The wash is included in the price of the interior detail. Make sure you're doing that, okay? When you say to the customer, I'm not going to charge you travel time. I'll come out there for free, detail your car, and then go back because you're a mobile service. You make sure that the gas, the maintenance, and everything, that you factor that into your price. When you arrive there, you say, I don't charge you any extra to come out. Now, you're not lying, because guess what? You're not charging them any extra. You're just not telling the customer it's already included in the price. I don't think that this is, a shady way of doing business. This is the way business works all around the world. Successful companies like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, they all use the same marketing techniques. These guys are masters of magic, They give you lost leaders. They give you free samples. They give you all these things. It's not free, because they know that by providing that free sample, you're going to buy more. If you go and you buy coffee, they're going to give you a free sample usually, Why are they giving you a free sample? Because they want you to try their other coffee, because you're going to try it, like it, and then you're going to buy more. Same thing here. In detailing, it's an awesome way to make more money. The more you learn about marketing, the better off you're going to be, And there's a lot of resources out there. Now, I was fortunate. I went to college, sat down in the class, paid my money, and I learned, Because at the time, we didn't have access to the internet. We didn't have all these wonderful things. I did that when I was 21 years old, 30 years ago, Now you guys can learn for free. So there's no excuse anymore. So if you're having trouble with marketing concepts, aside from my free advice that I'm giving you right now, there's lots of other resources out there. The more stuff you learn about marketing, the better off you're going to be. You could kill it. If you bring in anything, let's say you bring in microfibers to your business, for instance, and you're selling microfibers out of your shop, the customer comes in for a detail, and I picked this up from my student that I taught, Andrew St. Pierre. If you give the customer a microfiber, or whatever product you happen to have, but if you give them one of your microfibers as a gift, you include it in the price of the detail, but they're going to think, wow, that's really nice. This guy gave me a gift. And you put your business card inside. Now that's Andrew's marketing idea. But the concept is, when you give the customer something to try, because it's free, they're going to try it. And if it has any value whatsoever, the customer is going to buy more. Or the customer may tell somebody else about you giving them the free whatever it is, shampoo or microfiber, a wash mitt, a drying towel, whatever it is. Now the customer is your sales rep. The customer's out there telling other people about you. That's how you grow, through word of mouth, through marketing. Whether it's going above and beyond and doing a fantastic service, or it's giving the customer something that has the illusion of being free, These are all gimmicks, but they're all gimmicks that the big companies use to get their name out there and make a lot of money. So this is a simple way that you yourself can make even more money. If you give the customer something, or give them the illusion that they're getting something for free, that speaks volumes. And the customer will go out there, and on average, if they have a good experience, they'll tell 3 to 7 people. If they have a bad experience, they're going to tell everybody. So aside from focusing on your business and doing a good job, it is a good idea to give something out there with the illusion of it being free, because that's going to entice your customers to not only tell other people, but they may come back and buy more product or more supplies off of you just because they had the opportunity to try it. That's the toughest part in business, to get somebody to try something. If they're told by somebody else that your service is good, guess what? Now you've got a better chance of them coming there, because just having a pretty website doesn't always work. Because if you have a nice website and a good friend of theirs has told them about you, then they look at your website with a whole different view, because they've already been told that you're a really good person. And when they see your website and the website enhances what the customer told them, their friend, their relative, whatever the case may be, that is sales gold. That's exactly what you want to move your business. And you know what? If you end up selling a little bit of product on the side, it never hurts. One reason I got into distributing product is, and I'm going to be honest, it cuts my shop cost. Because now, if I'm a distributor for that product and I'm selling it to my customers, not only does it give me a second source of income, but it reduces my supply cost substantially, depending on the arrangement you have with the company that you're dealing with. But usually it's significant. It can be anywhere from 25% to 50% off, depending on who you're dealing with. It's a win-win. You have an opportunity to have a second line of income coming into your business, and you have the opportunity to save money on your product and use it as a marketing tool to encourage more customers to come to you. And if they're coming to you to buy product, they're making that contact with you, and there's another opportunity to remind them that, oh, yeah, I need to book in my car for an interior. I need to book in for a wash, clean, and wax. Whatever the case may be, or, you know what, I'm getting a new car. I'd like to book in my ceramic. It opens the door to a world of opportunity. Marketing is essential for your business. That's my little tidbit for the day. So you know what, if you guys have an opportunity out there to distribute product for anybody, as long as it's a good quality product, if you have that opportunity, take it, because the initial investment is going to pay off 10 times. Because not only are you going to have the product cost go down for yourself, but you have two different opportunities there. You have an opportunity to sell product to your customers, and also an opportunity to market your business through giving away free samples that the customer is already paying for. Okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope it helps. And thank you very much, as always, for tuning into Dean's Den. And that is my tip of the day. Learn as much as you can about marketing. Learn as much as you can about any business aspect. And believe me, it's going to help you immensely. All right? Have a good night, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.